me, Robin. I'm coming to you today with something different. I know I normally do like Smile Direct Club or something like that, but this video is something that I feel like is a good video to put out, and it's something that also relates to me a lot. So today I'm gonna be talking about how to start a YouTube channel while being shy, okay? So I wouldn't necessarily describe myself as shy, like I'm not an introvert at all, but I'm just the type of person that I'm very nervous when it comes to like putting myself out there, like putting myself in front of others, putting myself like for others to critique, putting myself like just promoting myself. Like the fact that I have to promote myself is so scary to me. So I started YouTube probably about 2 years ago, and I just now have been semi-serious about it. But like I always wanted to start before then, but I was always held back just because I felt as though like I didn't have the look, or I'm a little heavier. My teeth are not perfect. My eyes aren't symmetrical. I'm not beating my face every day. Like I love makeup, but I can't commit to being a beauty guru, and I sure enough can't commit to doing hair and stuff. Like I just felt like I was just a plain Jane when it came to YouTube. So that held me back. Like that plus all the insecurities I had held me back. And it wasn't until just now where I was like, okay, like I'm in my schooling and I really need like a hobby. I need a break. I need like a way to put out this energy. And I'm like, you know what? Just do the YouTube that you want to do. Just do it. So as of now, I only have 95 subscribers. I only have about 10, 11 videos. Right now I'm sitting around totally probably like 5,000 views. So I'm not per se a big YouTuber, but I am like a little micro YouTuber that can tell you like if I can do it, so can you, okay? I just want to come to you and let you know like anything that you're telling yourself that's negative, take it in and be like, okay, I don't want to do it because I look like this, or I'm too nervous. Say that. If you want to say that to yourself. But once you come to terms with that, tell yourself, okay, you're nervous, now what? Like, that's how I think about it. Like, you're nervous, now what? You have a gap in your mouth. You're trying to fix it, right? Now what? Regardless if you're not trying to fix it, now what? Like, that may be the truth. That may be how you feel at that moment, but are you going to let that stop you from going on throughout your everyday life? Does that mean I don't wake up and go to work because I don't look the way I want to look, or I'm too nervous to talk to people? No, you still have to go to work. You still have to pay these bills. You still have to deal with things that you don't want to deal with regardless of how you're feeling. So make yourself do this. Make yourself do something for yourself regardless of how you're feeling. If nothing else on this planet cares about your feelings, you should not let your happiness or your goals or your journey towards happiness be inflicted by your feelings. Because no matter what, as a human being, we have to push through. So you might as well do something for yourself. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I don't know. That's just how I look at it. And like, even now, okay, I get up here and I talk and I'm like, okay, whatever. I'm a grown woman. I'm a little older now. It is what it is at this point. But I'm self-conscious about my setup. I don't have a fancy camera. I'm using my iPhone. I'm editing on my phone. I may not have the best transitions. I can't really pause the frame, filling, cutting stuff like the way I want to make my videos like just be hilarious. You know what I'm saying? I don't have all that. I don't have all the time. I definitely don't have all the supplies. But I'm not about to let that stop me. Yes, I do want to make better content. Yes, I want to have my channel grow, but it's going to grow. As I grow as a YouTuber, my channel is going to grow as well. Right now, my main thing is focusing on consistency. Like, if I could be consistent, that's all I want to do. Consistency. I need to get over that hurdle before I start thinking like, oh, I need this, that, third, or I'm going to be a shitty YouTuber. Like, I just don't want to think like that. Right now, like, I have yet to promote my page to anybody I know. Like, and that's a goal. Like, I told myself once I hit 100 subscribers, you're going to start promoting yourself. Like, I will put my YouTube channel up there, and I'm also in a little YouTube groups and stuff where we support each other. I can post to like other YouTubers, micro YouTubers, but like to go as far as like go on Facebook and Instagram, like, hey, you guys, follow me. I have like, that is like I have yet to do. Like, I'll put my YouTube link in the like bio section of my Instagram, but that's as far as I went. I've never been like, click below, this is my YouTube. Never made a story like, hey, new video, never. And I have friends I went to school with that I'll watch like, oh, drop a new video and stuff like that. And I'm like, Robin, why can't you just do this? Like, why can't you just do it? You see several people in their stories promoting their videos. Why can't you promote yours? So to me, that's still like something that's a little weird to me, like promoting myself with people that I actually know. I don't know if that's just because of my personality type. Like I'm not an introvert. I'm very extroverted. I run my mouth, talk all the time, but I'm a very private person. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I don't want to make this a journey. I just want this to be raw, and I want this to continue to be like my creative vehicle. And I'm the type of person, like, I really care what others think about me. And depending on who's looking at me, depending on who all I know, I don't want that to change up my flavor. I don't want that to change up my personality. I don't want to turn into like, hi, welcome to YouTube. Today we're gonna do, I don't want to do that shit. Like, it's just not cute to me. So I just want to keep it 100% raw. And I'm going to be honest, part of it is that I'm nervous. Like, I just am. I'm just too shy to see other people who don't really know me, but know me, and then just see me like up here like being myself. Like, it's just so nerve-wracking to me. And last but not least, it's probably because I am in a professional environment. And I'm probably undercutting this a lot more than what it actually is. I am in a professional setting right now in my life. Like, I currently teach undergrads. I'm currently like getting my PhD in cancer biology. So me being out there social media wise is probably not the best move for me. Not saying like I'll get up here and do something crazy, but I just don't want it to turn into like all eyes on me. Now I gotta be Dr. Bryce. Like, now I gotta be that girl who's trying to be Dr. Bryce. Like, I really want to let this be my vehicle of just releasing energy, bringing in energy, putting out vibes, a good time. That's just what I want my channel to be in general. I don't want to turn it into, because this is how I am all day, every day. Like at work. Hi. I hate it. But to end off a long ass, a rambling ass story, I just want to let you guys know to be encouraged, okay? Just do it. Just do it. I'm out, you guys. Sending y'all with good vibes, balanced chakras, good karma, blessings, and all. Peace.